Ain't it awful?
Smells like rubber? No. There's Cover Girl. Well, Dom said he didn't need the drive shaft and the bolts were not cooperating no matter what I did, and I had no penetrant, so that's what I did. Got the exhaust off. Transmission bolts are undone. Got that ghetto rigged in there so that it doesn't empty. Everything underneath is completely done. Nothing left to do here except, I guess, jack the tail shaft to get the bolts out of the holes. Look at this greasy son of a bitch. Oh. Motor mounts are undone. All the cables, everything's out. All I gotta do left is wait for Sean to bring me the cherry picker tomorrow morning and pull this sumbitch out, and Dom will be coming to get this piece of junk tomorrow. So is the motor out? Not technically, but everything's unbolted and it just needs to be chained up to the cherry picker and pulled out. Look at all that crap. We don't need any of that junk. No, sir. So now we're going to head back into the garage, move the old motor out of the way, clean up all that E6 crap that's lying around everywhere, try to make some sense out of everything, and then I'm going to have to move everything to be able to fit this in the shop, which means I got to unseal the door inside and outside. Oh, sorry about the camera focus there. But yeah, it's ready to come out. I wish we could have pulled it out today, but Sean wasn't available for the cherry picker today, so it is what it is. You guys remember the stinking Lincoln from in the fall that we got from our buddy Dom? Well, as you know, we also bought that other engine that was a 95 Mustang GT engine. Well, it ended up turning out to be a LOPO. So we pulled it apart, pulled the heads off, and we found some serious rust in the cylinder walls. And this one we know for a fact runs. In fact, I will insert a clip of it running here. And yeah, so we're going to give that transmission, make a little trade for the AOD to a buddy who has an AOD Mustang. Blech. No offense, guys. And we're going to pull this engine into the shop, and we're going to start our work all over again. All right, guys, keep it rusty. Thanks again, Dom.
No problem. Thanks for keeping me here all winter.
My pleasure, man. Hey, it earned a nickname while it was here.
What?
I call it John Gotti. Bye, John Gotti. Off to the demolition LS powered world you go. Big old porker of a 7.3 in that truck. Well, bye-bye, John Gotti.